Hello friends, today I am showing you what is Python function. So let us know what is the Python functions. But I am first telling that in Python functions I am not showing you like print function. I am showing you how to make your own functions like in JavaScript. So let us know how to make. First you want to define the function to show the computer what to do when the function is needed to run. So we will type def. Def. So it's called, what is it called? It's called defining a function. Def full form is define. So now we type our function name, like I type welcome. Okay, so as JavaScript have two these two symbols, this is same and there, then use this symbol. Then there we will type what to type, what the action need to run when the function is running. So like print hello user. Okay, they are having errors, but now it's gone. So we will wait. Yes, so there we will do something. So first we will preview nothing's here. Wait, yes. Now I will run. There have no code printed. Okay, it's really yes. So the computer have not actioned anything because it's defining but not attempting this request. We will say the computer to do this. Me and also note the syntax. If there is this, we don't require any closing tag. We request to be have a correct syntax like this ref come at here, not here. Okay, so now we will type what to type. Welcome the our this function name. Okay, welcome. Okay, so let us there have hello user printed. Yes, because there have print hello user. Okay, so let us go to a next something advanced step. There have this. Okay, so wait, yes. Okay, yes, yes. Huh. So we will next is advanced. We will delete this, and now what to do? We will define a new function. Welcome same, but something's another. In here, what doing? This is at here. I am typing something name. Okay. Then I will type here print. Before adding the correct symbol, make sure to add F1 to get the subtract like this. There we will type hello space and use this in here. Type your content name. This is name. Okay, so I will use name and then welcome Ashish. Okay, now I will run my. Yes, this is hello Ashish. It comment. It posted it. If you not believe it, so I will right click and clear output. Now the output is cleared. Now I will run the code again. Here it's running. Hello Ashish. This is the output. Hello Ashish. Because I have typed this, and if you have included a space in here, so it will not contain a space. Okay, so how to use multiple values for this. So to use this, come, let us know. Wait, yes. So we will use a first dash name, comma, last dash name. Okay, so let's end there having errors because what's name is not definite. This is an undefined variable. So if we replace this with first that name it work. But if we hover in this, so here we must have a problem. Okay, it's not okay. So now add a comma here and then add well no wait what to do yes this is then hello first name and add also a space last dash name and stop. So watch here. Let us know you know and I know the same problem. Let us know track back most we can call is last welcome artist type it over well type it over. This is the meaning. Welcome is missing one required post positional argument last name. What it means? Sorry. Yes, what it means we have included only one value in here. So it will have a error because we have provided first name but not last name. So it's our code mistake. So let us fix it. After the square symbol is finished, add up add a comma add a comma without space because we are adding space in here. Add a comma and then add a new quote symbol and enter your last name Gurwal. Okay, so now we will done clear output. Run. You see, hello Ashish Agrawal. Oh wow, this is greeting us. Yes, this is Python functions. You see how these are Python functions. You can use function print values, objects. If you okay, so this is looking easy for me, but if it's not for you, sorry. And if it this same, you cannot run Python on your VS Code. So let me show you. First, you must have installed Python. I have Python 3.9.6 32-bit. And second, first I will show the activity bar, and then there you can view my installed application, which is um this yes this is Skylens. This is made by Microsoft. This is supporting me to I can code Python. Okay, if it, and this is also I have installed it to know if there have something comes. This is oh yes, this is doing it. So thank you for watching my video. Be sure to leave a like to support us, and I will show you more grateful. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon.